Hello viewers, welcome to another cooking session with me. If you are new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe and support me. Here in this video, I'm sharing this mouth-watering and delicious recipe of pineapple crisp. You can try this for any party or just for a weekend family special edition. This will just elevate simply with the final dessert with rich and healthy way of incorporating pineapple crisp using oats and pineapple along with some vanilla ice cream. I'm sure many of us love ice cream, and with this addition you would love the taste, crunchiness, and feel delighted after having this dessert. So let's get started. So into a glass bowl, we'll take 2 cups of pineapples freshly cut, and also we'll be using 1 can of pineapple crushed. We'll remove the excess water using a strainer. Add it in top of the pineapple pieces and spread it evenly using a spoon. And then if you check, you're getting almost 2 inches of this pineapple plus crushed pineapple. We'll take 1 cup of oats and into the mixie jar, make it into fine powder and add it into a new bowl. So we'll add all the dry ingredients here, and into this we'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder as well as half teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of brown sugar. And then we are also using half cup of butter here. So you can melt it using a microwave or on stove top as well. And then we'll add 1 egg into this. Egg is optional. You can replace egg with yogurt. So instead of 1 egg, we can use 1/4 cup of yogurt and mix all together. And then we'll add half of the butter into this mixture and combine it well. And once it's combined, we'll be adding this mixture on top of the pineapple. Spread it evenly. Once it's spread evenly, then we'll pour the remaining butter on top of it. We can add some nuts on top of it. So I'm adding some small pieces of almonds as well as pistachios, but it's optional. Tap couple of times so that it's spread evenly from the bottom, and then we'll add half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You can avoid this cinnamon powder if you don't like the taste of cinnamon. And then we'll turn on oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Once it's preheated, we'll keep this bowl. So you can use any glass bowl like a rectangle shape, even a bigger one would do. And once it's done, after 30 to 35 minutes, you can see how crispy the top layer is looking with the soft pineapple at bottom. So our pineapple crisp is ready. You can serve it either hot or even cold. You can store it in the refrigerator for more than a week. You can very well make this same method in pressure cooker or an instant pot. If you're using instant pot, you can use manual 9. And then we'll take a scoop of it into a bowl with the bottom layer pineapple and then middle layer the pineapple crisp along with vanilla ice cream on top, and garnish with some pistachios powder, and this is ready. Isn't it looking so yummy and delicious? So why late? Please do try and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section, and very well you can give any suggestions if you have, and do share it with everyone. Please subscribe and click on notification. Thank you for watching.